What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to say the name of those wines coming out of Italy of slightly superior quality than the normal wines. We are looking at how to pronounce the names. Riserva wines made from slightly better grapes and generally aged for longer in oak barrels or at least in tanks. But aged and matured for longer at the winery. Riserva wines. Because we are not in Spain, the V is pronounced like a V, not like a B. In Spain you would say Reserva, but in Italy you say Riserva. You will find Riserva wines from Classico areas, such as the Chianti Classico, and some Riserva Superiore, which means they are going to be even better, at least on paper. Riserva wines from Italy. If you want to learn more about Italian wines, here are videos that you should watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Arrivederci. Ciao, ciao.